Good afternoon and welcome to the session on building materials and concrete technology. I am Professor Pawan Gudi, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering. In this current subject, we are going to study two topics, that is building materials and concrete technology. In the building materials, we are going to study the different materials that are commonly used for construction, their properties, classification, and the manufacturing processes. The second part, that is concrete technology, we are going to study the ingredients of concrete, that is cement, sand and quartz aggregate, their properties, classification, and the mixed proportion that is being used in the manufacturing process of concrete. Along with this, we are going to study the advanced building materials that are mainly used in the construction technology. So the subject is preferably divided into 5 units. The unit 1 is comprising of the introduction, which consists of physical, chemical and engineering properties of the building materials and the application of building materials in the current technology of construction. The further topics include bricks, rocks and stones and timber. So in the brick category, we are going to study the types of bricks, the manufacturing process, properties and standard requirements and grade of brick as per the Indian standard, that is Bureau of Indian Standards. Then we are going to study rocks and stones, that is the classification, characteristics and standard requirements. The third component is the timber. We are going to study the different types of timbers, their uses and application, some of the defects in the timber and wood, what is the meaning of scissoring and wood products with specific uses. Along with this, there is a subtopic called as self-learning topic, where the students are going to focus on the important stones that are used in construction along with their suitability. So to begin with, we shall first understand the meaning of building material. The building material is defined as a material that can be used for construction purpose such as house, industries, etc. Some of the common building materials that are used are wood, cement, aggregates, metals, bricks, concrete, clay. The choice of these building materials are based on their cost effectiveness of the building project. So depending upon the type of the project, you are going to choose the different materials, and also their cost effectiveness plays an important role in the selection of building materials for the construction. Some of the properties that include are physical, chemical and engineering properties. So here in this case we are going to concentrate mainly on physical properties, which include the density, bulk density, density index, specific weight, specific gravity, porosity, durability, permeability, water absorption, resistance to fire and frost and thermal conductivity. So we shall now discuss these physical properties one by one in detail. Density can be defined as the mass of a substance that is occupied per unit volume. The unit of the density is kg per meter cube. Density of some common building materials are steel 7800 kg per meter cube, brick 2600 kg per meter cube, granite is 2800 kg per meter cube and wood has a density of 1500 kg per meter cube. The next unit or the physical property is the bulk density. It is the mass of a substance occupied per unit volume in its natural state. So here there is a slight difference between the density and bulk density. In case of density, you are going to consider the mass of a substance, but in case of density, bulk density, you are going to consider the mass of a substance in its natural state. Okay, so there is a slight difference between these two. The natural state of a material includes the voids, then the voids may be filled, and also along with that some of the materials or the particles that is adhered to the surface. Okay, so there is a slight difference between the density and bulk density of a material. The next property is the density index. It is nothing but the ratio of bulk density to its density. Specific weight is defined as the weight occupied per unit volume of a material. Mathematically, it is defined as W is equal to rho into G, where rho is the density of a substance measured in kg per meter cube, while G is the acceleration due to gravity measured in meter per second square. The next property is the specific gravity, which is defined as the ratio of the density of given substance to the density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Here in this case, we are considering 4 degrees Celsius as the standard temperature of water. The reason here is, as the temperature of the water decreases beyond 4 degrees Celsius, it starts to convert its state from liquid to solid. Similarly, when the water has a temperature of 4 degrees Celsius and above, it starts to change its property from liquid phase to gaseous phase slightly. Okay, so the standard temperature of 4 degrees Celsius is considered for the measurement of specific gravity. It is a dimensionless quantity and denoted by the symbol G. So the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube or 1 kilonewton per meter cube. A material will be subjected to and are classified under physical properties. The remaining properties and the subtopics of this corresponding unit will be discussed in the coming slides. Thank you.